We are powerful, we are strong. Sparky Nation, what is going on, you guys? Happy afternoon. Asian Power and I, we got a little special treat for you today. It's not necessarily a vlog today, it's just gonna be a fun video of us shooting some guns. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and we will see you at the range. And why don't you tell them what guns you have, Mr. Asian Power?
Well, I got a Colt 1911, 9mm, it's a government issue, and also a 96 Alpha 1, which is a Beretta, shoots 40 cal. Almost like an M9 military issue, but it's just bigger caliber, you know, for bigger men. I also have a couple rifles back at home, but didn't bring them because, you know, it doesn't fit my Camaro, so.
Yeah. And that's right, like he was saying, he has a Camaro. Like, look at this. I'm riding in a Camaro for the first time in my life, so kind of an exciting thing for me here for you guys, show you guys, if you don't mind. Yeah. So I'll show you guys his Camaro when we get out of the car. We will see you at the range. Love you guys. All right, so what's up, guys? There's the car I was telling you about. There's Asian Power over there. Wave high, hell yeah. So yeah, I wasn't lying. Camaro, pretty dope. First time riding the Camaro, so I'm gonna take you guys inside the range. We're gonna go shoot some guns. Let's have some fun. Alrighty, so we are in the range now, guys, and Asian Power's getting ready to fire his weapon here. Let's go check him out. Hey, Asian Power, why don't you show off your firearm here? Talk about it.
Beretta 96 Alpha 1. It's a standard Beretta that I've been working with. It shoots 40 caliber. I have my mag loader. Israel. It makes things a lot easier. It's a mag, so basically, first round in. Time. After that, just put the rifle like that. And then all you're doing is just pressing it down. It's pretty much
that's nice.
on a speed loader like that, you know, it's much easier to actually load the rounds, because if you try to use your fingers, you don't want to damage your thumb every time. It's really annoying. So
How many rounds does your mag hold?
the mag holds about 10 rounds. That's the standard issue for most of the firearms you get in Hawaii for per rule, regulation, law in the state. So 4, 6, 10 rounds. So pretty much it.
Alrighty, take her out and shoot her. Nice. Let's see how you did.
10-yard shot. Pretty sure the first round kind of hit
Good
the bottom.
grouping. You got a little flyer there, but good grouping.
It's a lot of recoil. Yeah, 40 has more recoil than 9 does.
All right, then I'm gonna show you guys what I'll be shooting then. So, all right, so here's what we got going on, guys. The first weapon we're gonna shoot here is I got a Glock. It was a newest model, right? Gen 5. That's what he said.
Gen
So
5,
basically,
Glock
this
17.
is more high speed than what the police have right now. So this is a very highly updated Glock. So this will actually be the first time that I've shot a Glock. So want me to check it out?
Think of it as a Minecraft gun. It's blocking.
So we're nice and loaded up thanks to the assistant of Asian Power's mag assist here. So while we take it for a shot, and you guys will see me the first time I fire off Glock. So you film for me? Alrighty.
So here we are, Sparky, trying to figure out how the Glock properly works. He's trying to figure out right now where the
No, I've never fired
slide
it.
release is at, and it is right there. All you gotta do is press it down, and it will
Yeah, where's the slide?
release the slide forward. So you put the mag in, and then all you gotta do point down range, and then both hands,
where's the
right?
safety?
So, yep.
Oh, where's the safety? Do you know where the safety is?
You don't really have safety on the clock. Unless you
Unless you
push
safety.
it. Try firing around.
bad. Bit of center mass right there. I don't know if you guys. It's kind of getting to the center. He's got 10 rounds in his mag, and he fired his 10 rounds.
So we're gonna shoot another 20 rounds real quick. I'll have Asian Power film for you real quick. We'll do another 20 rounds, and then we'll switch to some 5.56. I'll show you guys the Tovar. Israeli standard issue weapon. So bullpup style. We'll check it out after that.
I ain't trying to get shot by you today. Just saying.
Ready?
Yep, go ahead. Fire when ready. See where you're shooting. That's where he's shooting. Shooting right now. I don't know if you can see this. What dots he's shooting above the chest. He's got a good center mass, but and the first 10 round mag is out, and he's now trying to switch to his secondary mag. There we go. Fire and ready.
I get the good confidence.
He's just shooting the top of that son of yeah, I don't know where you're aiming, son. Just trying to adjust. Oh, that got him on his neck. That's the end of his secondary.
I killed him.
Yeah, center mass right
Yeah,
here.
dude, yeah,
on
right
top.
there. That good grouping. A couple
Good
flyers
grouping.
in there.
Yeah,
Not
it's
too
like
bad
right
though.
up top.
A couple of those I aimed all over the place on the last one. But yeah, so a good 20 rounds there that we just had. And we'll break out the 5.56 now. Excited to check this thing out because I've never fired out of these weapons before. So well, now I can say I fired a Glock. Let's check out the. All right, so here we got the Tovar. We got a 30 round magazine ready up and loaded. And we got the Tovar here, Israeli standard issue military. And we got our good, awesome bad guy right down there.
Osama bin Laden.
Yeah, take him out. And let's have some fun. We're gonna shoot 30 rounds, load up another, and I'll do 60 round for you guys with 5.56. Alrighty, so let's get it and shoot it. Here you go, Sergeant. Here you go. Asian Power.
Alright, fire when we're ready. Put it on fire too, don't keep it on safe. Oh, it's pretty loud. I don't know where you shot it though. Close up of the target. Right on the center of that chest. You can see it because it's a 5.56 round, but it's right there. It's hitting him right on the chest. The Tovar is an Israel rifle. Many people only think Uzi is the only standard. It's actually not. Just saying. It's a pretty solid firearm. It's a bullpup. Shoots 5.56. I've seen ones that shoot 9mm too. Looks like a little recoil. Boy over here. Let's look at a close up of the target again. See right beneath his just hitting that chest. Somebody's getting sore. Go ahead. Go for a headshot. Let me see if I can zoom in and see if I can catch that.
Another one?
Put it on safe and mag out. Put it on safe and mag release.
Did I get him?
Yeah, you got him.
Yeah,
right there. That shot.
In
Yeah,
between right there.
right
the
there.
eyes.
That's a catch
And
shot.
look at that. He got him with the buttons too.
Good
I don't know
grouping there.
why he got that button right there, but
Yep.
it looks like a button. Yeah, he's not gonna miss that anytime soon.
Yeah, so we had a good group in there. We're gonna load up another 3 rounds. Might let Asian Power try it out a little bit. Let you shoot a couple rounds, and then I'm gonna shoot a little bit more too. So let's load up another 30 rounds. That'll be our 60, and we'll go back to the Glock for a little bit. All right, let's check up on Asian Power here. Just uses a high-speed mag loader.
Loading up mag right now.
Yep, about to use it. I'll show you guys how it works.
So what it looks like right now. Just slide it in, enter, pull it out.
So yeah, sweet and simple way that you guys can actually load it up. I think that's cool because I've never seen one of those before. It's like that's pretty cool.
A lot easier.
Will that handle? Is that just for pistols or anything?
It's usually for pistols, but then they got the model for rifle rounds too, which comes pretty handy.
Yeah. I mean the 5.56 is easy to load, but if you get a higher caliber, sure. All right, well, let's watch Agent Power shoot some more here. His target's going down range, and he's about to light him up. Ready to rock. Stand back. You gotta load up another one? Yep, there he goes. Lock and load. Let's see how he did.
Oh man.
You killed him.
Yeah, I missed one though on that side.
Yeah, you missed one.
I don't know what happened right here. I guess my hand was a little
Yeah.
easy at the time. Got weekend.
Spaz. Yeah. No worries. All right, so sweet. So we're gonna keep shooting our guns for a little bit. Hopefully, I'll show you guys some more 5.56 in a minute. But I might go shoot a couple of Glock rounds on my own, enjoy it for a little bit, then have Asian Power come over and film me shoot some more 5.56 for you, and maybe 1 or 2 more rounds of Glock. Then maybe I'll try yours once or so, and we'll probably call it a day then. So, see you guys. So we have 2 more magazines of the 9mm left for the Glock. So I'm gonna shoot the 20 rounds while we do a mag change in between. Agent Power is gonna capture them up for you. Then we'll do some more 5.56 after that. And he'll go shoot his stuff, and maybe we'll get some of his too. So why don't we go and do it? Let's get it.
Here we go. Ready to roll. round.
So that was our 10 rounds. Hope you change in between there. Then we're going to do 5.56 here in a sec. Go film Sergeant G for let's shoot his, and we'll switch back over and do some 5.56. So let's go check out his. All right, so Agent Power's being nice enough here to let me try his Beretta out. So we're going to shoot the Beretta, and this is the standard issue. It used to be standard issue now, but now they switched to it's the 6.320. I'm second 230. It's 320. But yeah, so we're gonna go shoot it. Let's have some fun.
It's on fire right now. You don't have to put it on safe. Fire when you're ready. It's gonna give a kick. Just letting you know. Okay. Told you it's gonna kick. And don't anticipate the shot. This man over here shoot my 40, and can't see, but pretty good. It's got him on the center, which is all we care about right now.
Let's go shoot some more 5.56 then. I'll see you guys momentarily.
Here we go, old Sparky here getting his Tavor back in action with 5.56. I'm pretty sure he's not trying to shoot it like with the target right there. That's kind of cheating with his target over there, what, like 3 yards? All right, he's going for 20 yards right now. It's right there, fellas. All right. Fire when ready. 30 rounds. You're loud. He's shooting it. See it. He has a better grip of the. Probably hurting him. Kind of getting a little low position. That's a better so that he can There's a live round right there, and he just switched mags. Probably aiming for. Looks like he's aiming for the head right there.
Coming back.
Going back, let's see what he did
Yep.
with the last
Last set. I think I was a little more choppy. No?
Oh, well, you missed one. It's like 5.56 right there.
Yep. Still decent grouping, not
Yeah,
bad.
just a miss.
Yeah, not too bad.
Got them all up.
Pistol was all over the place, though. Oh well, though. Hey, if he would have been coming at me, we probably would have got him. I think we would have got him. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as we did. We're going to watch him shoot maybe a couple more, and then call it out, head out of the shop for the day. So, yeah. I'll see you guys. You guys helped me out today, getting me set up shooting, having fun shooting. What are you laughing at over there? Yeah. No, I appreciate it. Tell me about your shop real quick.
Ryan, you do that. You do it. No, you're better at it than I am.
Arguing when you're trying to get your point across. No.
This is X-Ray.
Okay.
We're here in Waipahu, and we mainly for locals. We also have other people that come in though. We're pretty much a shooting range. You can bring your own firearms. Or you can rent them as well. All our handguns here are $20 per. All our long guns down here are $25 per. Just pay as much ammo and parties as you like. You do have to sign up for membership. Membership is a one-time fee of $29.99 plus tax. Makes you a member for life. You don't ever have to pay that again.
And I definitely got one of those, so we are all set and ready to go. Next time we want to come and shoot, I want to take you guys with me. We are set to go. And where'd the guard go? Where'd she go? Where'd the guard go? Mika! Mika. And there's the shop guard. There's the shop guard. Here she comes. And this is Mika. She guards the shop. Say hi, Mika. Yes, hi. Hello. And she guards the shop. She's very familiar with all the products. And she knows what she's doing. Good girl. So, awesome song on right now. But anyway, let's see.
Chicken fried.
Yeah, chicken fried. Cold beer on a Friday night. A pair of jeans that fit just right. And the radio. Alright, I appreciate you guys spending the day with me here. And I hope you enjoyed the footage as much as I did. I had a lot of fun shooting. And I'm sure Asian Power did too. And now we have the dilemma of figuring out where we have to go for dinner. So we will check in. Exactly. We'll check in with you guys when we figure out where we're going and get our food. So we'll see you then. And then probably wrapping up the vlog. Not really vlog. Wrapping up the shooting day with that. So we'll see you guys. Deciding what we want. Where are we at here? Where are we at here?
Korean restaurant.
Yeah. Wow. So we're gonna get some good food here. I'll show you guys our food when that comes out, and then we're probably gonna hit the road and head back to the barracks. And so
Get back to the old lifestyle again.
yeah. So that'll be about the night after we eat dinner, guys. So I will check on you guys maybe 1 or 2 more times. That'll be about it. Hope you enjoyed shooting with us today, and I was glad to take you guys. Power and I got hooked up, and see he's using his Asian powers to use the chopsticks, and we got
You got Sparky over here with the,
yeah, me with my food. Yeah.
with his fork.
Yeah, my lovely fork.
So, trying to learn.
Yeah, well, we'll see. I might try to learn. But, so you got the kimchi, right? And I got the, what do they call it, the dumplings? Noodle and dumplings. So we're going to enjoy our meals, and maybe we're going to get dessert. We'll check it. We'll see with you guys in a little bit. Then that'll probably be the last check-in for the night. So love you guys, and I'll see you in the next. Okay, guys, so we are back in the barracks room now. That is going to conclude it for the night. Asian Powers and I had a lot of fun, and we went shooting, had some fun. Actually, we ended up, sorry I didn't get any footage for you, my phone ended up dying. We got we went into a little nerd hobby shop, like imported stuff from Japan and stuff. It was really cool. We ended up getting dessert, just some frozen yogurt and stuff, nothing too interesting. But that is going to conclude it for the night, guys. I love you. Thank you so much for being a part of this journey today. I have no idea how long this video is going to be. There's a lot of shooting in it, so I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I did. And I will see you this weekend for a vlog. Love you. Peace.